Top 5 Best Portable Blender Cups in 2025, Smoothies Anywhere. White Heavy Checkmark Number 1. BlendJet 2 Portable Blender. Why it's number 1, powerful, compact, and super easy to clean. Battery life, 15 plus blends per charge. Capacity, 16 ounces. Key features, turbojet technology, self-cleaning, USB-C charging. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, baby food. White Heavy Checkmark Number 2. PopBabies Portable Blender. Why it's great, TSA safe, small but mighty. Battery life, 20 blends per charge. Capacity, 14 ounces. Key features, blend while charging, dishwasher safe. Perfect for office, travel, gym. White Heavy Checkmark Number 3. NutriBullet Go Portable Blender. Why people love it, trusted brand, sleek design. Battery life, 20 blends per charge. Capacity, 13 ounces. Key features, lightweight, safety sensors, fast USB-C charging. Perfect for commutes, outdoor workouts. White Heavy Checkmark Number 4. Hotsch Portable Blender. Why it's underrated, super budget friendly with great reviews. Battery life, 18 blends per charge. Capacity, 13 ounces. Key features, BPA-free, fast charging, LED indicator. Perfect for budget-conscious health lovers. White Heavy Checkmark Number 5. COKUNST Portable Blender Cup. Why it made the list, modern design plus solid performance. Battery life, 15 to 20 blends per charge. Capacity, 15 ounces. Key features, one-button operation, quick charge, leak-proof. Perfect for everyday carry, travel.